Purpose of this video is to show you how to create projects with QR codes. So the first step is you need a QR code generator, and in this case you can see on the screen you have QR Code Monkey. Some websites such as Chrome integrate a QR code generator right into the browser, but we're going to use one that does not so that you know how to do it without one. And then the other thing you'd like to have open is a document to store your QR codes. So let me go ahead and go back to the QR code here, generator. So in this case, I want to create a QR code for a website. So I'm going to go ahead and have that website open. In this case, I've got a student's website. And so the first thing I need to do is I need to copy the website URL, and then I'm going to go to the QR code generator on the URL page, and I want to make sure that I clear that page out completely, and then I'm going to paste that. Now it's very important that after you paste it that you go into the other side and create the QR code. So I have to press this button here. If I do not press that button, then what's going to happen is I'm going to have a either non-functioning QR code or one that is designed for another website. So after that, I'm going to download the QR code, and it does take a moment. It will pop up. With Firefox or Safari, it will sometimes prompt you for a preview, which it is in this case. And I just need to wait for that to come up. So here it is. And then I want to copy that. Here it is. Sorry, that was an old one. So I'm going to go ahead and select all, and then I'm going to copy that. Okay, and then I'm going to get out of it here so I don't get confused by that other one. Go into my Word document, which I should come up with a title. Jasmine J's QR codes is a good title, and I'm going to make sure I save that. Alright, so I've got that saved, and I do already have one, so that's okay. Alright, so we'll just say Jasmine's QR codes, and then I'm going to go ahead and paste that document, that QR code, if I can get the screen to come up for me, and I paste that in. Now you'll see it's very large, so I'm going to make it smaller. I'm also going to center it, which is going to make it look a little nicer. I can make this any size, and I probably will have to come back and resize it for different projects. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and make these all centered. And then I want to put a title right underneath it with the student's name. Jasmine J's website. That way I don't have to scan this to figure out what it's for. If I have to print it, I can always remove that name. Alright, so let's go back here. We have our QR code monkey or our QR code generator. We can also use this QR code generator to generate text if we did a poem. In this case, I'm making a project with my student's name with trivia facts about them. So I'm going to make a new QR code. So I just put her name in there, and then I'm going to download it. Now the other option, if you don't want to download it, is you could do the screenshot. So I can take a screenshot of that if I don't want to wait, and then I can take it over here. But let's go over the normal way download. We'll wait for a minute while it pops up. And then I'm going to select all, copy, and then I'm going to take that, put it inside. And it's going to be large again, so I'll need to make it smaller. Make it about the same size as the other one. We can always change that. Then I'm going to put a title underneath it, Jasmine J. Just her name. So I'm going to save that file so I can print it later and I can test it with my QR code scanner, which you can download free from the App Store on phones or iPads. So hopefully this video shows you how to make a QR code using QR Code Monkey for a URL or a website address. So any website can have a QR code attached to it. For some text, you can type up your name, a poem, etc., the answers to a question that you've asked. And of course, there are other options here as well. So if you need to review this again, go ahead and rewind this video to learn how to create QR codes. Thank you.